Hi, I'm Rachel, and welcome to my channel, La Bricoleuse, where I share tips, techniques, and tutorials from over 25 years working as a costume craftsperson. I made this head wrap as a mock-up for a costume in a stage adaptation of Madeleine L'Engle's A Wrinkle in Time.
It's made from a stretchy nylon spandex and is composed of three pieces: the cap, the wrap, and the bow. You can draft the pattern for these pieces yourself based on your head measurement or that of the intended wearer. In this pattern diagram, measurement A on piece number 1 is the head circumference. That becomes the cap. Measurement B on piece number 2 is twice measurement A and becomes the wrap, and piece number 3 becomes the bow. How tall you make your cap rectangle and how wide your wrap rectangle depends on the desired proportion of the finished turban. To make piece number 3 for the bow, I folded a standard piece of paper in quarters, then cut the curve. My unfolded pattern piece looks like this. I then cut 2 layers of the leopard print fabric, a layer of non-woven interfacing for stability, stitched it together, bagged it out, and stabilized the pleats by stitching them through and through in the center. Now I'll show you how to assemble the head wrap from the 3 pieces, starting with the cap. Piece number 1 has been sewn into a tube and the top edge gathered like a drawstring bag to create a toque. I like to tuck my hair fully inside the cap because for me the appeal of a turban style is that it fully covers my hair. Now I'll put the wrap into place. Piece number 2 is folded in half and sewn into a band like an infinity scarf. It's wrapped twice around the head like a rubber band, and I adjust the folds so they sit nicely and secure on my head. The last step is to slide the bow through the wrap and carefully adjust its position so that it sits balanced or asymmetrically as you wish.
This was made as a mock-up at a point when the performer wearing it was playing other characters with other costumes and might need to change in and out of this piece. In the rehearsal process, it was determined that she would only be playing one character who never needed to change costume.
The head wrap design grew and transformed, and the final piece is seen in this stage shot on the performer at right.
Hopefully now you understand something about how to make simple millinery patterns and the development process of theatrical hats, as well as how you could make a style like this one for yourself or someone else.